Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Gpedit.msc is missing here in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now the case is when you press Windows and R key together, and here when you type for Gpedit.msc, and when you click on OK, this error, which is Windows cannot find gpedit.msc, make sure you type the name correctly and then try again in your Windows or computer. Now, in order to fix such error, we'll be performing a very easy step, and the very first step that we need to do is we need to bring up our Google Chrome. Okay, so just have to open your Google Chrome browser and wait until you are being redirected to the browser itself. Okay, or you can also use another browser. Just have to depend on what browser is available for you. Okay, that's good to go. Just have to open what browser is available to you. And here at the Windows search bar, you need to paste a link which I'll be including at the description box below. So just have to proceed it there and then copy it. Okay? Once you have copied it, Control V to paste, and once you have pasted it, click on enter to proceed. The moment you have the click on enter, you would be redirected to this website, which is called Victor Explains, where it has this tutorial on how to fix your Windows cannot find the GPedit MSC. Okay, we're here. At the very first of it, you can see a step one, download the GPedit enabler bot file. There you would be able to see a link which is being attached there. Just have to click on here to download the gpedit.msc enabler.bat file. Click on it. Once you have to click on it, you'd be able to be redirected to the file and it will automatically start on downloading. In my case, I have already downloaded such. That's why I'm not gonna click on this, okay? Once you're done downloading, close this window, and here you need to proceed on the GP edit enabler that you have downloaded. Okay, once you have selected it, please do a right click again and go with run as administrator. Click on it. Okay. Your user account control will ask you to confirm your action. Just have to go with yes, and you will be redirected to this window. Will it do the deployment image servicing and management tool? Now it will undergo a process and just have to wait until all of this process will be done. Okay? Wait until it will be done. It might take some time, but definitely it will help you to fix your problem. Okay? So once you're done, just have to check if your problem has been fixed again. Okay? So press Ctrl R together and type gpedit.msc and check if it's being fixed. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video helps you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.